Ladies and gentlemen,
to commemorate Operation Swift and acknowledge the bravery of gallant air warriors of Pakistan Air Force, two symbolic formations will present a flypast in front of you. The first formation to appear on the venue is known as Swift Retort Formation, comprising F-16, JF-17, and Mirage aircraft. This formation symbolizes the success of Operation Swift Retort and the courage of Pakistan Air Force in this standoff with arch rivals. This formation is a symbol of bravery, courage, and sheer professionalism. The second formation today comprises of 3 JF-17 Thunders from number 16 Squadron, the Black Panthers. This formation symbolizes the great resolve of Pakistan Air Force to defend the aerial frontiers and national sovereignty of Pakistan at all times and all costs. Ladies and gentlemen, today the Swift Retort Formation is being led by Wing Commander Buzdar, officer commanding number 29 Aggressor Squadron. Flying with him in the F-16B model is Squadron Leader Hassan Siddiqui, Tamgai Jurat. Let me remind you, this is the same squadron which was previously commanded by Wing Commander Noman Ali Khan, who shot down ابھی Nandan's aircraft. And I present the historic Swift Retort Formation. Ladies and gentlemen, after this flypast, it's now time for the 3-ship JF-17 Thunders to present a linear bombers in front of you. The Black Panther formation is led by Wing Commander Adnan Mahmood, Flight Commander Operations number 16 Squadron. Flying on the right wing is Squadron Leader Bilal Shaukat, and on the left is Squadron Leader Hassan Khalid. Keep your eyes focused on the horizon as the 3-ship JF-17 Thunders will be appearing any moment from now. Here comes the linear bombers by the Black Panthers. Ladies and gentlemen, be it day or night, Pakistan Air Force is always ready to defend the aerial boundaries and give a befitting response to the enemies of motherland.
Respected audience.